guys, welcome to another video on Real Nice Guyana. Real Nice and Molly here. Today, as you can see, we'll be cooking outside on the fireside. And we're getting our fire started. Just added some kerosene. Today we're going to be cooking, we're going to be making guyanese, which is a kind of a soup broth. And our fire is going high already. So that's just water in our karahi now. Okay guys, so for this guyanese, which you will find being sold at dances, outside of dances and places like that, in a big pot. So that's what we're making here today. And these are the ingredients we're going to be using. We have some plantains, coconut, eddoes. This is eddoe leaf bhaji, already cut up. Corn. We have some broadleaf thyme here, or pudina. Scallions. This is fine thyme, dried ones. Pepper, garlic, and of course the chicken foot. And capadulla. So this capadulla is the main ingredient in this guyanese. A lot of wiri. You can of course use any pepper you have. Grate the coconut here. The poke didn't work, so we had to throw some carrot on it. So we're gonna add the corn to the water first. So we're washing the chicken feet and the bhaji. That's the garlic. Onion. Pepper, you need 2 wiri pepper. You can use any kind of pepper you have. And now it's time for the thyme. Yeah, this is a coconut milk. Salt. that's some chicken seasoning. Jerk seasoning. And all-purpose seasoning. And that was some cook-up seasoning. Cook me. You lighten. Great job. See? Okay. So we just added the plantains as well. The pot is looking good, eh? So we just found the pressure pot and we're transferring everything. This is supposed to be cooked in the pressure pot. So we didn't find it in the pressure pot, so now we find it. All of that happens, right? And the karahi is too small too. Voila! Done. Okay, we're gonna add the capadulla here now. We added 3 little pieces. We just fried up the chicken foot here a bit. So we seasoned the chicken feet with some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, garlic, and now we're adding that there. Time for the scallions. So our Guyana is coming up there. Looking good already. Here you see, work this time. Big fire. We're gonna add a packet of chicken noodles. Okay guys, so our guan is finished, it's done. Now we're gonna plate this. Okay guys, so that's it for our guan recipe. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.